Build freedom from zero equals how I started later and still began winning. If you think it's too late to start something new, seriously, think again. Hi, if you're new, I'm Holly. I started building digital income later in life with debt, no tech degree, and a husband working at 75 years of age. My only goal was to get him home and have our lives back. Here's the 3-step approach that worked for me. 1. Focus on one problem. I built my income by helping people solve the exact problem I had, creating income without trading all their time for it. 2. Leverage digital products. I partnered with a proven system that's delivered online, so there's no shipping, there's no inventory, and it is sold and can be sold worldwide. It's global. 3. Automate. I use a funnel that runs 24/7 with or without me when I'm cooking, sleeping, visiting family, out with friends. It's still working for me, so it never stops. Why now is the best time? Digital product sales grew 40% among people over 60 years of age last year. 75% of online earners see results in basically under 90 days. The creator economy is worth over $250 billion, capital B, and growing fast and furious. Starting with zero didn't stop me, and it doesn't have to stop you either. Comment yes if you want to see how I started from nothing, zero, and still built a future and building it continually. You're not too late. You just need the right plan. Comment yes below, and I'll show you my 3-step starter kit. There's a quote: "You're never too late to be who you might have been." So keep that in mind, and I'm certified as a mentor to help you step by step to grow and build.